Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix infinite loading screen in Apex Legends. It's quite easy to fix, so without further ado, let's get started. Depending what you're using, Origin or Steam, it will be a little bit different, but probably you will get a point. So I will show you in Steam. So what you need to do here, you need to go to library, you need to go to Apex Legends, and then right click on it, go to properties, then to go to local files and press browse. And here what you need to do here is to scroll down until you see R5 Apex. So right click on that, go to properties, compatibility, select this option, run this program compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, and make sure you run this program as administrator, right? Press apply and OK, and the problem should be fixed when you try to run the game. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to go to unbrowse again and then just delete R5 Apex thing here. And after you delete that, then go to local files, press verify integrity of the game files, and try to run Apex again. And the problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.